Sorry about that. So press the brake, and that was our left turn signal. So I'm gonna turn it on and see if it just works. Because before, on here, if you go over here, well, anyways, it wasn't working. Here's my right one. As you can tell, it works. My left one is not working. Interesting. It did work earlier. The turn signal is working. I wonder if I have to reset it. That's strange. Okay, well, let's try to... Let's see if you have to reset it. Alright, service. Camera frames dropped. That's interesting. How about camera preview? Frames dropped. How about left fender? Right fender seems to work. Left fender? Nothing. Camera frames dropped. What does that mean? What if we do clear camera calibration? Clear camera calibration. I don't know if that does anything at all. Alright. Left repeater. Huh. They usually all light up green. What if we go to camera preview? What if we click left fender? Hey, it started to work. It worked, so I had to click on clear camera calibration, and then now it's all green. So this one here is my left fender, that would be my right fender. You know, those are probably your front, and these are probably your pillars. That's probably your rear. So if you have any of these are red, that means there's something wrong with it. So in order to get it reset, I had to click clear camera calibration one more time, and then I clicked run. It was set to forward facing because mine was the front one. So if yours is, you know, I guess you can scroll down and click all. Yeah, and then click run again, and then it will clear all the cameras, supposedly. Make sure all the wiring is hooked up. Clearing calibration succeeded. Rerun, close. Okay, but it doesn't turn all red or green right away. I had to, like, if I do my to the right, to the left. Left works too. Oh, now it's all green. So I guess you just have to press that thing. Okay, so yeah, after you've soldered everything, you can watch my other video on how I soldered the new pigtail onto the left camera pillar after the accident. I thought it would have been plug and play, but I guess it's not. So, quick walkthrough. So, I won't let you down. So bottom left. If this video helps, click thumbs up, like, or subscribe. So in order to get that reset, you click on this bottom left one, and then you click on software. Hold that for 3 to 5 seconds. No, maybe you gotta scroll down. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and then type in service. Enter. Now you're in this red box, service mode. By the way, to get out, you just click exit service. To get to the cameras, you click on driver's assistance, and then you click on cameras. They're all green now, but yours might be red if you just replaced it, or if you just resoldered it. And then in order to reset it, click camera calibration. You can click forward facing, or to make it easier, just scroll, click all, and then click run, and then press the brake. Turn signal to the right for 10 seconds. Alright, and then it says clear camera calibration in progress. Successful, rerun or close. That's close. So these don't light up. I'm wondering. So right now it's blinking. I'm gonna turn it off. What if I click to the right? No, that doesn't make them green. Left one works. Okay, so as soon as I went left. Anyways, they just turn left. They all turn green after a while. So if this helps you replace everything, if you disconnected your any of your turn signals that have cameras, or any of your cameras, pillars, turn signals, and you need to reset them, that's how you would do it. And then to get out, you just click on this bottom red button. So that was my left front headlight. Well, that's my headlight. I still gotta get that fixed. Left front turn signal malfunction and spec light. That's already fixed as well. But yeah, watch my first video if you need to of how to replace these turn signals. Mine's still dangling here. So I had to buy a newer pigtail for the camera part and solder this on. You can watch my other video of how I soldered this. And I'm gonna finish this up by putting some tape around it. And I'll put some tape around this. Pop this thing back in and call it good. So yeah, I'll also leave a link as far as where I got this pigtail. Watch my other video. It also has a link of where to get the pigtail, as well as the turn signal for your Model 3 or Y or whatever you have. So yeah, if this helps, appreciate a thumbs up or subscribe. Thanks. Bye.